Rand trading around that 7 Rand level against the dollar, and the euro continuing to come under pressure. Is the Rand really just a factor of that at this stage?
Good morning, Stephen. Yes, we did see the Rand yesterday losing some momentum and failing really to break above the 7 Rand and 2 cents to the dollar. And it seems like the Rand is also taking its cue from international developments. We know that yesterday we had a firmer dollar, and that was mainly because of the U.S. retail sales, which came out much better than expected. And it showed that retail sales actually posted a monthly high, which was a monthly high in 7 months. And also the other thing is that the euro as well is continuing to struggle, because we know that we have been having debt concerns, especially from Ireland, and that seems to be the main thing that is driving the euro at the moment.
And of course, we've had Ireland and Portugal both saying they don't need emergency bailouts, although Ireland would like some money to help out its banks at this stage. Eurozone finance ministers meeting today, I think this evening only, so not going to have much impact on today's market activity. But do you think the market really just wants to have some more certainty from the Eurozone on what's happening with this debt?
Yes, that's correct. We have the EU ministers meeting later on today at 6 o'clock our time, and for the Rand, I mean, it will be after the closing of the market. So we expect that only to have an impact on the Rand much later today.
Of course, Finance Minister Pravin Gordhan saying yesterday the strong inflows we've been seeing, particularly as a result of quantitative easing in the United States, could reverse at any time. What sort of messages is he trying to give us here that we should expect the Rand to weaken if we see this, these inflows starting to be withdrawn?
I mean, on the finance minister's address yesterday, I think one of the most important things as well that came out was that it looks like the government is also looking at measures to try and boost the economy and create jobs. And I mean, for sectors that has been hard hit, like manufacturing, that is quite a welcome relief for such sectors. And also he warned about the euro or the debt concerns as well in Ireland, as I've just mentioned. And those two factors, I mean, they go I mean, for the Rand, the euro or the debt concern in the Eurozone is negative. But then if the government does try and boost a South African GDP, then that can be positive for the Rand in terms of the GDP differential view.
How do you think these statements are perhaps going to influence the decision at the Monetary Policy Committee meeting on Wednesday and Thursday? Because, of course, if we do have those withdrawn and the Rand does weaken, it's going to be negative for inflation going forward. Of course, we also have retail sales numbers out tomorrow, and we have the FNB consumer confidence number out today, so also factors to watch out for.
I mean, for, like you said, on the data front, we have retail sales, which I think will be the most important for the MPC tomorrow. Standard Bank is expecting retail sales to moderate to 4.3% from 4.6%, and our forecast is in line with the Bloomberg consensus. And if the retail sales does come out less than expected, or it shows that retail sales have been moderating, that should support our view in terms of the MPC tomorrow, where we expect, I mean on Thursday, where we expect the MPC to cut interest rates by 50 basis points.